Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing one of my classic festive red lippie look with you. Starting off, I always moisturize my lips with the Vaseline Lip Therapy Lip Balm, and this is the flavor Cocoa Butter. Then I'm moving on to prime my eyes with the NYX eyeshadow base. Always make sure to blend out the eyeshadow base with my beauty blender. Then I'll be going in with my Pure Soiree Diaries palette. The first color I'll be using is Socialite. This is just to set my eye primer. Then I'll be using Stunner. This is more of a dark orange brown color. And then I'm just applying this all over my lid. Less is more, but you need to build it up. Then I'm switching over to my Switch Beauty Slave for Days palette, and I'll be going in with the color Nkosi. This is just to add a bit of shimmer to my lid.
Let's go.
Now I'll be using my NYX Glitter Glow. This is just to add and intensify that shimmer and to give it more of a glittery look and for my eyelid to stand out a bit more.
Let's go.
I'm going back in with the color Stunner into my outer corner, and then I also use that same color on my lower lash line. For my gel eyeliner, I'll be using Pretty Vulgar. I love this eyeliner. It is easy to work with and a little goes a long way. Lashes. For my lashes, I'll be using my Allure lashes in collaboration with the Jordan Woods. I love these lashes. And then as per usual, I'm using my Duo glue.
Let's go. Let's go.
Face primer for today is from NYX. This is the Angel Vial primer. I freaking hate this primer. It makes me look white, but you all know the rules. If I bought it, I'm going to use it. Foundation for the day, MAC Studio Fix Foundation in the color NC47.
Let's go. Let's go.
Always make sure to spray my beauty blender with a setting spray. The setting spray that I'm using is from Essence, and this is the Instant Matte Setting Spray. I always want to make sure my foundation is blended out, and I make sure that my hairline is also blending in with my foundation. And the setting spray helps to set the foundation while blending it in, which is amazing. For highlighting, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Warm Honey. For baking, I'm using Yardley Absolute Translucent Powder. This is just to set the concealer under my eyes and to give it more defined look. And this is the powder highlighting that I like doing too. For bronzing or contouring, I am using Avon True Colors, and this is the Bronzing Pearls. I'm going back in with the color Stunner. This is just to intensify my lower lash line, especially because I'm not putting on any eyeliner. Mascara is from Benefit. This is the Bad Girl Bang Mascara. Now that we're done in the oven, we gotta remove that baking powder. And then for my blush, I'm going in with my Note blush. I love this blush. It is just the perfect amount of red, pink that I need on my cheeks. And remember, we do low blush, not high blush. For my glow highlighter, I'm using my Artist Couture Diamond Glow highlighter, and this is the color Illuminati. I may not like the name, but I love the glow. set my whole face, I'm using my Essence Instant Matte Setting Spray.
Let's go.
Now for the final product. I'm using my Dirty Little Secret matte lipstick, and this is in the color Phantom. This is my all-time favorite Red Lippie. I have never gone back.
Let's go.
And voila, this is my classic Red Lippie for the festive season. Hope you like this video. Till the next one, bye.